Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy for any sabji. First, ensure you have your core ingredients ready, such as onions, tomatoes, and a selection of common spices. Begin by finely chopping your onions and tomatoes. This helps create a smooth base. Next, prepare a fresh paste of ginger and garlic, which is crucial for adding depth and aroma to your gravy. Now let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them patiently until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is vital for a rich flavor. Then, stir in your fresh ginger garlic paste and cook for just about 30 seconds until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. It's time to build those delicious flavors. Add your chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook them down until they become soft and pulpy, releasing their natural sweetness. Next, mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, stirring well to combine with the base. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish your versatile gravy, you can blend it for a smoother consistency if that's your preference, or leave it slightly chunky. Now, adjust the seasoning with salt and red chili powder to your taste, ensuring it's perfectly balanced. This gravy base is incredibly adaptable for any sabji. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.